What's going on, EXCX fam?
Hello.
We are headed to Lake Mead today. I know that I said that we were going to camp here at Lake Mead, but 2 days ago the weather was pretty whack because it was really, really windy, and you know, we don't want to be in the wind again. And it rained over in this area. So we're going to do a little day trip. We're going to explore. I've actually never been, we both have never been to Lake Mead. The last time we were trying to go, it was at the peak of COVID, so you needed a pass, and they weren't accepting anybody in. So now that we have our pass, we are up in this thing, and we're going to explore. We're going to take some cool shots and just see what's out here. Stay tuned.
We're adventurers. Adventure time.
Lake Mead is America's largest reservoir that was created by the construction of the Hoover Dam. With more than 750 miles of shoreline, you can enjoy a day at the beach, take a boat out, disappear for a couple hours nestled in a little cove, which is exactly what we plan on doing today. Getting away from people, finding a nice quiet spot, and just relax. You can also fish at Lake Mead, so maybe next time when we come back out here to camp, I'll bring a fishing pole and see what I can catch. But for now, we're gonna sit back and just enjoy these amazing views. And when driving through Lake Mead, make sure you keep your eyes peeled because you could find a couple of wild horses just out taking a little stroll.
Alright, so I'm gonna air down. I just got this. It's called it's a Jacko air down pump. It seems pretty smooth everywhere, but just in case, and I kind of want to really use it, so I'm just gonna air down. Alright guys, we made it to our destination. Look at this. Wow. So peaceful. A beautiful day. We went to Stewarts Point, and it was about, I'd say, an hour and 30 minutes from where I live. So Lake Mead is about 45 to an hour, a light hour, but this was a little bit further from the actual main entrance of Lake Mead. But it was definitely worth it. I mean, look at this, guys. So it is 11:28, and we're gonna have a little coffee and just put the chairs out, relax. It is the start of Sharice's birthday. Her birthday is tomorrow, so we decided to come out today and just enjoy this peace and nature and just water. The water is so blue here. And if you've noticed, the camera is much steadier because we just got a gimbal, so no more of the shaky videos that you'll be seeing. We got our stuff together. So
So, since this is our first time at Lake Mead, we really don't know what else is around here as far as like trails or things like that. But I'm pretty sure this is going to be a short video because I don't think we plan on going anywhere.
No,
Yeah,
we're just relaxing.
Yeah, this is too good.
We're definitely coming back though.
Yeah.
Like,
We're definitely going to camp when the weather is much better. I mean, it's a beautiful day today, but since it's January, it's a little shoddy sometimes, you know. One day it's super cold, next day it's windy, but today was perfect. But it's probably going to be a shorter video because this is just an amazing spot. There's about 2 other cars, but they're a few miles down. They're out there fishing, and you can fish here, but this is just an amazing spot. All the birds over there having their little seagull meeting. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna relax and maybe in a little bit have a little bit of lunch, and then you know what time it is. Drone time. Once again, a big shout out to Fox Haley. We absolutely love this 3-panel solar charger. It is a must to have when you're out on the trail.
so one of the recipes from my new book, The Detox Workbook for Beginners, that I just released this week, is spring rolls with a peanut Thai sauce, and it is one of Trevor and I's favorite out of the whole entire book. The sauce is super delicious. I made some before we came out here, and that's what we wanted. We wanted to have something fresh, and we just love having the spring rolls with the peanut Thai sauce. So we're gonna enjoy our lunch out here. It did get a little bit cloudy, overcast, but we're not letting it ruin our day. I'm getting everything chopped up right now, and then I'll be rolling up the spring rolls here very shortly.
So now it's my turn.
It's all about the sauce.
It's so simple. It's just raw vegetables with some rice paper, but this peanut sauce just hits the spot. And plus this view, you can't beat that.
Now I know I already took some drone shots earlier, but the clouds came through and the water turned to glass. It was extremely still. There was no wind, not even a breeze. It was a little chilly out, but I mean, come on. This was beautiful. The reflection of the mountains and the sky and the green and turquoise of the water. It's kind of hard not to fly the drone out when you have views like this.
So this little air pump I got off of Amazon. You could get the fancy ones that you press a button and they all air up, or they got the dual, all that kind of stuff. But they're pretty expensive, and it's not like I'm going off-road every other day. So this was very cost effective. Great reviews on it. I'm not quite sure the name of it. I'll put it in the description. But it takes about less than 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes a tire. I'd say maybe 5 minutes a tire to get it back up to 35 PSI. I dropped my tires down to just 20 PSI because it's not like it was really, really rough, any rough terrain, but there was some sand, and I wanted a little bit more traction to get over it. But this thing works great, and it's portable, easy to hook up. It was a short trip, probably a short video, because we didn't go anywhere. We stayed at this very spot because it was just so beautiful. The sun came out, it warmed up, probably got up to about 65. Then the clouds came over, cooled it off. It was still nice, but now it's starting to get a little cooler out. But it was a fantastic day. A nice lunch. Raw got to play in the water and in the mud, and he's back there now adjusting himself. But it was a fantastic day.
Beautiful.
Thank you for tuning in. We've got February coming up, so we're gonna try to start getting some camping trips in. Hopefully, if the weather. Anytime we're not camping is because of the weather.
The weather just hates on us.
Yeah, it'd be hating on us. Like I said, we were gonna camp here, but 2 days in a row it was really, really windy, so we opted out, and we had a fantastic little day trip. But
It was.
stay tuned, and happy trails, guys. Make sure you subscribe and like and share it to all your friends.
All that good stuff.
We'll see y'all soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Before we headed out, we wanted to make a quick stop and check out these awesome rock formations. It felt like we were back at Red Rock again. I highly recommend stopping here because the views are endless.
Alright guys, what's up? So, in continuation of the trip, this was kind of like a day trip slash getting ready for a proposal. Yeah, I'm in the closet right now, as you can see. But tomorrow is her birthday, which is January 21st. Making her dinner, doing all that, and I'm going to pop us a question. I've never done this before. And I didn't really see any YouTube videos on how to do this, so we're going to go for it. I'm gonna do it. The ring is done exactly how I wanted it to be done, and yeah, guys, this is to you, Charisse.
It's just you'll probably be surprised that I made this video. Hopefully you're surprised about the whole thing. But yeah, happy birthday. I love you, and to many, many more.
Oh, baby, you're my fantasy, baby. Let's go to a paradise where it can just be us. The way you look at me, it feels so warm. You color my whole world like never before. Let's go to another place. Hold my hand, I'll take care of you. You can never be replaced. My world is turned upside down. I feel brand new. You're the piece to my puzzle. Now I see the whole view. I'll drive 1,000 miles just to have your love. You came into my life and fit me just like a glove. Take a trip to outer space and put your name in the stars. Let's go to paradise where it can just be us. You're my everything.